Ever feel like your efforts on LinkedIn are just a drop in the ocean? You post, you comment, but it's crickets out there. If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common pain point for many LinkedIn users: getting your voice heard in the vast sea of content. Meet SmartEReply, the AI-driven tool designed to amplify your LinkedIn interactions, making your networking smarter, not harder. Let's break it down. Here's how typical LinkedIn interactions go: unnoticed comments, unresponsive messages, and the endless scroll for engagement. Frustrating, right? But here's where SmartEReply changes the game. First up, personalized comments. This feature analyzes the posts and suggests comments that are tailored, engaging, and far more likely to get a response. Next, post optimization. SmartEReply evaluates your content and provides suggestions to enhance visibility and engagement. It's like having a digital marketing expert right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about direct messages. Managing DMs can be overwhelming, but SmartEReply helps you craft responses that are meaningful and timely, building those crucial professional relationships. To get started, what you need to do is log into smartereply.com. Once you do, you will see these two buttons. Click on Add to Chrome if you are using a Chrome browser. Then click on Add to Chrome. It will prompt you to install the extension. Once installed, the extension will be active. It will take you to the homepage where it will display a few instructions. Just follow those instructions. To quickly access SmartEReply, click the icon above to pin SmartEReply. It will redirect you to the login page. You can log in with your email or your Google account. Once logged in, you will see all your recent activities. Now, what you need to do is head over to LinkedIn and start using SmartEReply. Watch as your engagement begins to climb. Transform your LinkedIn interactions today with SmartEReply. Check out the link in the description to learn more and get started. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and ring the bell for updates on new tools to enhance your professional journey.